Please state your name.
Jason Olson.
Your Honor, I've shared the recommendation with him. He can pay fines and court costs today in full. Your Honor, he is either enrolled or will enroll in the gun safety class.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the course recommendations for gun safety courses.
Okay. And as it relates to the firearm, the Smith & Wesson, Your Honor, he indicates that it is not his weapon and that the bill of sale or proof of ownership is inside the weapon holster and that it was seized by the police and it remains in their custody. So it's not his weapon.
Whose weapon is it?
It's my stepfather's, and I'm unaware if he had it put in his name previously. It's my uncle's, who's in hospice. He gave it away as an inheritance. So that's the only reason why I asked, because it's either going to be a family heirloom that we're forfeiting.
Okay, pause right here. This is where things get legally interesting. Even if the firearm isn't technically his, forfeiture can still happen if the weapon was involved in the offense. Ownership doesn't always protect the property. That's why he's stressing family heirloom. This isn't just about a gun. It's about sentimental value versus statutory consequence. Question for you. Should a family member lose property over someone else's mistake?
Or, a gun, either way.
But it's not to him.
It's not mine.
Right, but I think I still, given the charge, have to order forfeiture of the weapon.
Which isn't, I just want to make sure I'm doing my due diligence for my stepfather, so.
Gotcha.
And Your Honor, I just wanted to indicate, I believe that was part of the plea agreement.
Yes.
I just want to make sure.
Statute.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Sentence of the court, 6 months prosecutor deferred sentence. You're to pay $555 fines and costs, $180 probation oversight fees. You can pay that today. That is to be paid today. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a gun safety class as directed by probation. Do not possess any weapons, firearms, ammunition, or anything fashioned to be a weapon. I will order forfeiture to Smith & Wesson model 39-2 with the serial number contained in the file. I will order a review hearing. That's to be held July 22nd, 2026 at 12 p.m. I'll order 90 days.
That right there is a deferred sentence with a suspended 90 days hanging over his head. Translation: behave, follow probation, complete the class, and you avoid jail. Slip up? Those 90 days wake up instantly. There's accountability with a leash attached. High stakes, but also a second chance. Would you see this as lenient or fair?
Jail that is suspended. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
At least pay off that, it'll take a moment for them to bring it up.
Court does call the case. People versus Dave Marcel Bass.
Torso Feaster, first assistant public defender, on behalf of Dave Marcel Bass, who's standing to my right at the podium. Please state your name.
L. Marcel Bass.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. I believe this is a show cause for Mr. Bass. My understanding is that it looks like he owes about
He was supposed to pay me money
Yes, Judge.
in May.
Looks like he's made a payment
He
today.
said he would pay me in May. I gave him till May 31st,
Yes, Judge.
2025.
Yes, Judge.
What's today?
Past that, Judge.
Why?
And now we shift gears completely. This isn't about weapons anymore, it's about money and credibility. When a judge asks, "Where's the money?" That's not small talk. Courts take payment compliance seriously because it reflects respect for court orders. And $25 on what sounds like a much bigger obligation, that's a tough sell.
So, Mr.
Where's
Bass,
the money?
he paid some of it today. Not a
How
lot.
much of it?
He paid $25 today, Judge. He is not currently employed. He's received his unemployment check today. He paid $25 to you. He was hoping to pay
Oh,
$25.
the unemployment check was larger than that.
It was, Judge. It was, Judge. He's hoping to pay $25 to you today, which he paid already.
Hold it. See, Tricia thinks he's just gonna fast talk.
Yes, Judge.
This is him.
I'm going to tell you the whole story.
Talk. I say something. He just starts talking.
I was gonna tell you the whole story, Judge.
Oh, the whole story? All right.
So
I got time.
from my knowledge, he received his unemployment check today. He owes this court money. He
Yes.
also owes 1482 money. He paid $25 before he came to the courtroom today here. He wants to pay $25 to 1482 when he leaves.
So I can't even have the 50.
He would hope not, Judge. He will if you make him. He wants to
See,
pay Judge
this is what I'm
Barr.
talking about.
He'd like to stay on good terms
Yeah,
with Judge
what?
as well, Judge.
He'd like to do what?
Stay on good terms with Judge Barr as well. So he wants to pay
So
you
he
both.
thinks Judge Barr is more important than me?
It's an even split, Judge.
It's even.
25-25, Judge. He could do 35-15 if that might please the court.
Why can't I have the whole 50?
Because then Judge Barr might be upset, Judge, and he may be in jail and then not able to pay you the next payment he wants to pay you, Judge.
That doesn't sound like my problem.
Listen to the judge's tone here. That doesn't sound like my problem. Harsh? Maybe, but legally accurate. Courts aren't structured around personal budgeting priorities. Rent, food, fines, life forces hard choices. The court's perspective is simple. You were ordered to pay. So now the real question becomes survival first or compliance first.
Either way, he says he will receive another
Well,
payment.
So how often is he gonna pay me? He's gotta bring me back to court each time and I get 25 of the 50 he has?
No, he guarantees me he'll pay you out of his next check $100 on February 9th. So it's more than 20.
Hold on. So here's what I'm thinking is happening now. I think there's $100 in this check. He is only trying to divide 50 and then gonna split it between two judges.
I think that's accurate, Judge.
You think that's
I
accurate?
do believe that to be accurate.
So where's the other 50?
I think he's trying to pay his rent and eat this month. So I think he wants.
Again, not my problem.
I think he wants to keep that 50 for himself, Judge, so he can pay his other
Wow.
rent and eat.
So what if I took the 50? He
Yeah.
keeps the 25 he's gonna give me
Okay.
and eat less.
Okay. I mean, if he has to do that, I think he'll make that work, Judge. But he would.
No, you're not gonna make me look bad. Like, oh, no.
Whatever you.
No. I know what you're doing. Then next time he shows up, yeah, and he starved the whole month of February.
he'll,
'Cause
he'll be thin, Judge. He'll be just with skin and bones. He'll eat ramen noodles up. Yes.
So he's gonna pay $25 today.
Already paid that to you, Judge. Yes.
He already paid it?
Already paid that portion.
What about Judge Barr's money? You pay him?
Not yet, Judge. It's in his pocket.
On my way down there as soon as I leave here.
How many people here believe that? He gonna walk out of here, take the 25 along with the 50.
You wouldn't lie to the judge, would you?
Nope.
You're gonna do it, right?
Yep.
If you don't, he can put you in jail.
I don't know about that one.
All right,
Probably
by 5 o'clock, and we'll check.
This is actually a clever judicial move. By 5 o'clock and we'll check. That's accountability in real time. The judge isn't guessing, he's testing credibility. Courtrooms run on follow-through. If you say you're paying today, you better pay today. Because once trust erodes, flexibility disappears.
Okay.
They better be there or I'm gonna come.
I understand, Judge.
And then he's gonna pay $100
To you, to this court.
when?
On February 9th.
February 9th.
Yes, Judge.
And then how are we gonna get the rest of this paid?
When's the next payment after the 9th?
This is painfully.
I'm certified for 2 weeks. So I get paid twice a month.
You get what now?
Paid twice a month.
All right, young man, you pay the 100 on February 9th.
Then it'll be
And-
another
and
2
then-
weeks after that. I can come up here and try to pay.
That's the
And-
23rd.
What if I said this? What if I said, pay the $100 February 9th and then $100 every 9th of each month thereafter? Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Because you told me you would pay me by May 31st, 2025.
May, huh? You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I think he's just saying that so he can get out of here.
I believe him.
You believe everybody. Give me an April.
It was April
Hmm?
8th at 9 a.m.
Then I'll adjourn this. So you gotta make these payments. I'll adjourn this to April 8th, 2026, 9 a.m.
You understand, Mr. Bass?
So now if you got everything paid, so you can just pay everything up and then we're done. But what's gonna happen
I guess I'll be
if
sitting,
these payments aren't made on April 8th?
I'll be sitting behind your walls, I guess.
Sitting behind my walls.
Yeah,
What walls?
the county wall.
Oh, the ones that go through that door.
Yes.
And here's the final line in the sand. Structured payment plan. Clear dates. Clear consequences. April 8th is the checkpoint. And if the money isn't there, those county walls become very real. This isn't just about dollars anymore. It's about whether the court believes he means what he says. So what do you think? Is he juggling responsibility the best he can? Or playing a dangerous game with a judge who's already skeptical?
Sir.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. All right.
But it's not gonna happen. He's
What?
gonna pay it.
What?
It's not gonna happen. He's
It's
pay
not
it.
gonna happen.
Yes. I
I
have faith.
believe you.
I have faith in Mr. Bass.
All right.
Don't make me
If
look
you don't do it, Mr. Bass, I'm gonna take you and Mr. Feaster.
I prefer not to.
I'm just saying. You're the one vouching.
I just have faith in my client, Judge.
I
But
understand.
not that.